Seriously, I'll put this. If they don't win,
Too much discussion going on sports ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
they will not win. 3 years, they have not even won cup because at least just we can drink water also we don't have cup.
ನಾಳೆ ಎತ್ನಿಕ್ ಡೇಗೆ ಮೆಹಂದಿ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಸೀರೆ ಉಟ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ fourth time.
Fourth
time, yeah.
They gave me Wi-Fi some last time also.
Yeah.
Karnataka. Where is it, Punita?
Right from here.
First, let all teachers will go to holiday.
So much participate. You're feeling for serving this?
This is cheesecake. I don't know how they made it. It's not mine, but I'm carrying it as if I made it. Showing off for people.
DMLT people made it. This is some Oreo thing, something. We are carrying it for
Mohan Gay.
for boys who are very very busy in practicing cricket, which they won't win.
Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma.
Yeah. Day after tomorrow we'll get to know their
One cup also they never brought us. Leave cup medal only name.
medal. College people are not giving medal. First year they get, second
See our
year they
college. How great the building looks.
Oh my god.
But they don't provide anything. No seriousness is not there, bro. No seriousness. Simply their fielding. Fielding also. Ball only won't come to them.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮೋಹನ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸು? ತಗೋ, ನಿಂಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Full ಅಲ್ಲ. ನೀನು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬೇಡ ಮೋಹನ್, ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್.
ಓರಿಯೋ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ತಿಂದೆ.
This one there. Chiru is there. Tako.
ಮೋಹನ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಮೋಹನ್?
Give reviews there.
ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಮೋಹನ್? ಇದು ಓವರ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೋಹನ್ ನಿನ್ಗೇನೆ?
ಯಾಕೆ? Milk is there.
This is good somewhat.
Then you eat that only. Malli you give rare.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
Next person is Lingesan Chiru.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅವಳಲ್ಲ.
See there how he's sitting.
ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅವಳಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಿರೋದೇ ಯಾರೋ, ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಯಾರೋ.
Chiru.
Hey, what is that?
Cooking without fire I did.
You did that. What is this?
Chandan's girlfriend did this. This is cheesecake. This is
Chocolate cake, huh?
ಓರಿಯೋ.
I think they did. Chandan and his girlfriend.
Super.
Nice, huh?
Both
Say
super.
in camera.
Both are very good.
ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ನಾಫಿ.
What is this?
This is cheesecake, sir. This is
ಓರಿಯೋ.
mixed with chocolate.
ये क्या की दिया? Go. Thank you.
Try this one at least.
ಅರುಣ್ ಮೋಹನ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Mohan, he spit.
Okay, go.
Ice cream ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ.
ಏನೇನಿದು?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡು.
This is not nice.
ಮೋಹನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ. ಗುರು ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ. ಮೋಹನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿ.
We brought this much, Khali this much. The rest will stop. You know there's one ad now, they'll pull that energy. I feel like that.
So much ಬಿಸಿಲು. ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ನಾಳೆ ನೆಗಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ನಾಳೆ ನಾನು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯು ಸಿ ಮಿ ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್.
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾಳೆ.
I will wear a beautiful maroon color, my mom's saree, and I will get ready. That's why I am also applying
ಮೆಹಂದಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್.
and it's so I am so overwhelmed because my student is supplying mehendi for me, and we are just with the age gap of 2 years, I think.
Indirectly roasting myself. I told mom give surprise. She told now what she'll wear. I heard.
But how she'll get ready? That is surprise.
This is 100 rupees
Chain
chain
from
Tomorrow
Geeta.
I am wearing 150 rupees chain from some other store.
Glow up.
Glow up. I will wear.
Budget friendly glow.
I will also wear face pack today, and it is very budget friendly. You can also take it. It's just 60 rupees. You will be having 5 packets in that, and really your tan will go. You
Share me, ma'am.
It is Banjara's sandalwood face pack. Okay, it is very good, and even your pores, white pores, Banjara's sandalwood. Your pores will go off, so use that. I'm also applying that.
Okay, ma'am.
मेरा भी स्किन सेंसिटिव है. Your wet skin, dry skin or wet skin? Middle. Use that.
Ma'am, from where to buy, ma'am?
Big
I saw. Hey, punch out, ma'am. 10 pounds.
ಶಾರ್ಪ್ 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಪಂಚೌಟ್ ಆಗದ್ ಟೀಚರು.
ಪಂಚೋಟ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಮೇನ್
ನಾಳೆ ಗ್ಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಟೈಮ್ನ.
such father
ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ರೇರ್ ಫಾದರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ವಿಲ್ ಸಿಂಗ್.
ಮಗನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ there is a song just like that. I am telling ನಮ್ಮಂತ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎತ್ನಿಕ್ ಡೇಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಹಂದಿ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊಂತವ್ರೆ. ಇವರು ಒಬ್ರು ಟೀಚರ್, ಇವರು ಒಬ್ರು ಟೀಚರ್.
ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿರೋದಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಹಂದಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ?
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾದ್ರೆ ಮೆಹಂದಿ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬಂದು
ಅವಳು ಮೆಹಂದಿ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೆಹಂದಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಲು ಇವತ್ತು. ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ನಿನ್ ಮೆಹಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಾ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು? He was excited to see ma'am ಒಂದ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ we are standing.
First, ma'am will bring like this bag. Now full.
Two besties doing gossip, guys. Nafi, show me your mehendi.
Simple.
Chota and chota mehendi.
Chota hands, chota mehendi.
Mom is coming, Nafi. ಒಂದ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ.